Welcome back to Managing IT Better, Managing It Better. Today, we're going to be talking about unified communication. And what people don't realize is it's no longer just about your phones. Sometimes we feel like we're getting overwhelmed with so many emails, so many chats, so many video messages and meetings, and it's a lot, especially in today's day and age. And so what we want to talk about with regards to unified communications is having everything in one place and being able to manage all of it in a smooth and orderly fashion. Because again, it's not just about phones. We don't talk about just VoIP or just your cell phone, but it's the entire thing, the whole broad spectrum of everything that we use as communications. So we want to highlight how UC or unified communications replaces the siloed tools where you've got your office phone and your cell phone and your email and your Slack and your Teams and all these different things. And unified communications kind of brings it all under one umbrella. And so what we want to see with that is to improve efficiency. MSPs are really good at helping with bringing things together and simplifying all of this underneath single umbrellas, or just a couple of large umbrellas that everything can fit underneath. And so the core features here are real-time collaboration, like the instant chat and video calls and presence indicators, and being able to integrate that with your CRM or whatever your line of business applications are, but being able to have all your information at your fingertips instead of having to go from one system to the next to the next. And a good example of that is that we use a CRM that is able to help us with our sales, but it also helps us with our email marketing campaigns and content management. Whereas years ago, we used one thing for sales and CRM, we use another one for our email marketing, and we use another one for other things. We have it all underneath one nice little platform now, and that allows us to be able to see better reporting of what's going on, better information, and tie it all together so we can automate and streamline things and put things into a process that really help us be a better business and see the information that we need to be able to see. Now, that's from a sales and marketing standpoint, but that is still part of unified communications. It integrates into our email, it integrates into our phones, integrates into our marketing and our sales, brings it all underneath one umbrella. So when we're talking about everything in one hub, so what we look at are the dashboards and the reports and being able to save time, but having the tools and the reporting in front of us, the metrics, to know what's going on and where we can improve. Data is king. If we don't have it, then we're stranded and looking for information that we simply just don't have at our fingertips. Unified communication helps us with that. Now, from a sales team, we can quickly share files during video calls, move over into simple, just straight up voice calls. We can integrate our email, and all without really switching our apps. Now, for the remote worker, you can see your voicemail as a text or in text via your email, etc. You can join a team huddle from your mobile phone and be able to see colleagues' availability in real time. This is one of the things that we really like about Teams and Microsoft. Now, to share a quick client story and how we've implemented UC for multiple clients is that Teams integration with Microsoft and Outlook and CRMs and how it all kind of goes together. And so what we end up doing is using Teams for phones at times. We integrate it into their CRMs. We integrate it into their Copilot. We allow them to intermingle all these apps together so that their data flows nice and smoothly. So to recap, unified communication is UC. It means streamlining all of your communications places into one hub, not just phones, but everything in between working together for the betterment of your business. And if you're ready to take a trip down that unified communications road, you feel free to reach out to us. Feel free to reach out to your current MSP. But at the end of the day, we want you to have a better business and build a better business, have the reporting and the things that you need at your fingertips to help build that better business. Thanks for watching. I'm Sean Pennington, CEO of Solid IT. We'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Give us some likes. Until next time, have a great week.